Good morning to all of those accredited salespersons who need to renew their accreditation. Please know that there is a scheduled CPD for real estate salesperson on February 26, 2024, sponsored by Rebap Metro Tagaytay. So I will give the details in this post, and the topics that will be discussed are: number one, Reclamation Nation. It's all about the reclamation of land and who owns it and who gets to develop it. Number two is the power of attorney. So alam po natin, marami pong pagkakataon na yung mga gustong bumili ng lupa o magbenta ay wala dito sa Pilipinas, and therefore they need a power of attorney. So pag-aralan po natin kung ano yung legal basis nun. So I hope to see you in the